All right, we got a pretty clean. Looks like Dustin Hamilton gets back out in front with that Team C buggy. We got a little bumble there into that first turn. Give Dustin the lead he needed as he goes into that back double, making that second turn. We got Matt Cool behind him in that Team C buggy. It looks like Kevin Seward is taking up that third position. Sorry, Matt. Keegan. Swap corner spot. With him right here. Devin. Swap with Keegan your corner spot. Oh, one more, Bill. Bill.
Alright, they're running order. Dustin Hamilton leading them out, followed by Kevin Seward, Mike Preston, Chris Owens, and Matt Cool. We got 8 minutes and 50 seconds left. 8 minutes and 50 seconds left. Listen up, you guys. If you're up next and you're in that 4x4 novice class, you need to be ready to rock and roll because the computer starts with or without you.
Alright, that's how we turn.
All right, it looks like Dustin Hamilton. Traffic. Look, he's getting by Preston. And I'm not sure who's in that other white buggy. It looks like we got Matt Cool coming around turn 3, followed by Kevin Seward. What's our time, White Rock? Yes, we're flying by the seat of our pants. We'll do a lap with Dustin as he comes into the offset. He rolls through, making it look really smooth as he attacks the straightaway and makes that turn just short of the berm over the tabletop double single. Turn into the quad. Looks like he's on single, double, single. Attack the carousel.
Alright, running order still stands at what it was before. Dustin Hamilton in that first position, Matt Mike in that second position, Kevin Seward in that third position, Chris Owens in that fourth, Preston is in the fifth, and Matt Cool is the last of the last. And we got 7 minutes and 28 seconds left. 7 minutes and 28 seconds. 7 minutes and 28 seconds left. It looks like Dustin is blasting past a lot of people out there, double into a single for Dustin Hamilton. Single, double out, makes his way around to turn 1. Dustin is in the orange bucket with the white wing on it. He just doubled out in the back section back there. Over the tabletop for Dustin. Back on the gas. He makes his way through the 2 tabletops in the corner, down the straightaway, over the tabletop for Dustin. It looks like we got Kevin Seward in his sight. Kevin Seward right there in front of him in the blue buggy. Makes his way around. Kevin Seward doubles. Oh, that was a little bit of problem with that second double. And once again, you guys, those doubles back there, it's not a straight line back there. It comes over about 3 feet over to the right. So when you hit that corner, you need to come right just a little bit instead of trying to go straight. That straight jump makes you go off course a little bit.
Yeah, it definitely has a little bit of a dog leg in it. You can hit it straight, but you have to hit it perfect. Otherwise, you got to be making them turns.
So we still got Dustin leading them out, making his way around the corner, up over the tabletop, double to a single. Sorry about that, double into another single. Makes his way back around to turn 1. We got Preston having a couple of problems, but he's back on all 4, looking real crisp and clean out there. He's in the yellow buggy with the pink on the side of it with the yellow wheels on there. Makes his way around up to turn 3 over the tabletop with Preston. Makes his way up into turn 4. Little back end comes out from behind him a little bit down the straightaway, blasting out. Makes his way up to turn 5. Looks like Matt Cool got around Preston. They was battling out for a minute. Matt Cool was patient and stayed behind him for a little bit and ended up.
Oh, Austin, wake up!
Our friend! There's one.
We got one right here in the middle. Help him out. So now we got Kevin Seward back on all 4. Kevin Seward in the blue buggy with the yellow tie.